Welcome back to our professional live sound, outdoor concert gear, and modern festival tech showcase. Today, we are putting a rugged, multi-driver acoustic tank under the microscope, a device engineered specifically for backyard tailgaters, beach event hosts, mobile karaoke performers, and outdoor creators who demand massive sub-bass projection and flexible mixing controls, but refuse to deal with fragile home theater enclosures, muddy low-end frequencies, or quick-draining battery frames. Throwing down serious engineering weight from a trusted American name, this is the hard-hitting AudioSource 160W portable outdoor party speaker. AudioSource has spent decades refining structural driver efficiency, and this high-output outdoor cabinet brings serious multi-driver muscle to the portable wireless landscape. Visually, the device means business, featuring a heavy-duty, resonance-free matte black composite housing framed by two deep, ergonomically integrated top-carrying handles and anchored by a high-intensity, beat-synchronized 360-degree dynamic RGB LED perimeter light display. Built to confidently survive the elements, the chassis is backed by a verified IPX4 splash-proof rating, complete with heavy-duty rubberized input port caps to protect the hardware from accidental poolside waves or outdoor weather changes. But the real structural masterpiece is its advanced 2.1-channel internal acoustic array. While typical portable boxes push thin sound through generic speaker cones, this enclosure packs a dedicated, active 6.5-inch downward-firing subwoofer, beautifully balanced by dual 2-inch precision full-range drivers. To unlock incredibly deep low-frequency authority without increasing battery strain, the engineers flanked the subwoofer with dual massive 6.5-inch passive low-frequency radiators. This grid pushes out a commanding 160 watts of explosive peak output power, delivering a physical sub-bass sweep that you can feel, while maintaining an entirely clean mid-range vocal pocket and glistening high-end frequencies. Flipping open the sealed top command board reveals a highly capable live performance mixing deck. AudioSource has integrated independent dual quarter-inch microphone inputs backed by dedicated analog tuning pots for manual volume, echo, bass, and treble adjustments, letting you dial in flawless vocal duets or venue announcements instantly on the fly. Powering this field-ready festival box is a dense 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion core, supplying up to 12 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge circle, while acting as an active USB power bank. Backed by ultra-stable Bluetooth 5.3 streaming, auxiliary analog inputs, and a versatile Party Link protocol to link multiple units wirelessly for an absolute wall of synchronized sound, it stands as a premium triumph of portable engineering.